Hi everyone, this is Sheshe coming on to do a project share for Craft Love Store. So here's the first card that I created using the brand new slit die set. It looks like this. It does come with the slit or pocket. People call them pockets sometimes. And then you can stick something inside, like a little message or something like that. It creates a little pocket. So if you have a tag or something you want, like a special message, you can stick that inside. But this is how it looks. The hello that I used on this card comes from this set of memory Dex box that you make for your memory Dex cards, and I'll show that in a minute. But in case you were curious where the word hello came from, I wanted to let you know that. The flowers on the card, they're really pretty. I've used them before. They come in a set of 4. And I'll show you the flowers. It does come with the centerpiece. And then here are the leaves. So it makes these really pretty flowers, as you can see. Okay, so that's the first project that I have for that store. Okay, and now I'm going to move on to the memory Dex box. You make a book, and then this is how it looks on the inside. And then you put your memory Dex or recipe cards, is what I'm using for it, to put them inside to store your recipe cards. There is a recipe card stamp and die. If you need to know that, I'll link it below. But these are the sizes and the styles that she carries in her shop, and they fit nicely in this little memory Dex box that you can make into a book. So this is how mine turned out, and I'll show you the set. It comes with a little pocket, and then this is the little flap, as well as some envelope or flap or layering pieces. Here are the layering pieces that it comes with that you can layer to make it more detailed. And then there's like some little swirls and filigree parts. And then the words that it comes with are the words memories, hugs, and hello. And memories has a shadow piece. The other words do not. So there is a little shadow piece right here. But this is like the different sizes of the filigree work. And I'll show you the box again. And I use that at the bottom on both sides. So that's how mine turned out. And that's how I use that set. Okay, I'm going to move on to my last project and the dies I use for that. Okay. There is a new banner die that looks like this. It's a nesting set. You get a set of 6 dies in the set. So this is how it comes. So you can make your banners or layer your cards. I also use part of this doily that's really pretty, and this comes with this layering piece and a little medallion on the inside. And then she also has this new die. It says I love swapping with you, and it has a layering piece, and the U is separate that you would include on there, but this is how it looks. And then you put the U on there, and then here's the shadow. So here's the card I created with the banner and the little doily piece at the top to layer it, and the love swapping with you. So a card like when you're doing swaps that you can send along with your swap packages. Okay, so that is my share for today. I hope you loved everything that I made and you were inspired. I'll link everything in the description box below. Thank you so much for joining me. Take care and have a fabulous day.